All right, you just finished up your Math About Me assignment and you need to turn it in. This video is to show you how to do that. All right, you go into your folder, reporting cycle 1, week 1, Wednesday. And you see this little thing that has the bubbles. This is where you're going to post it. It says post your Math About Me link here. You click on that. All right, you are not just going to write in here. What you're going to do is you're going to put your name. David Taylor is me. You're going to put your name. And you're going to want to click on this little thing that says link. Now, I'm going to show you the easiest way to post your link so everyone can see it nice and easily. What you're going to do, I made an example for you guys. This is mine. You're going to go to File, and you're going to move down to Publish to the Web, and click on Publish to the Web. And you are going to go to Embed right here. And once you hit embed, you're going to hit publish and OK. And you're going to have this super long link here. If you've ever done any coding, this is coding right here. But you're going to copy that link. And then you're going to go back to Schoology. And right here, you are going to where it says link/embed. You're going to paste that link and hit attach. And you'll see embedded media. You'll see your name is there. The only reason I put my name there is you have to put something, and you'll click post. Now, your students, your classmates will see your post, and if I click on play, there's my example. I hope that helps. If you got stuck in any part of this, go back and watch the video again. It is posted in the slides. Take it easy, everyone.